Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel today. So I think everyone is getting busy for their Christmas season. So is 2 days more, it will be Christmas Day. So have you guys get ready for your Christmas present? So if you haven't get yet, please stay tuned to watch out my this video today, and let's start. So today video is I did some pick up from the store, which is I got one in here, and then we got second one in here, and I got third one in here, and let's do it the first one. So which is I got like these three. Oh baby coming. So as I said, the first one, which is I did pick up this item. So it's coming with this rectangle boxes. I think if you guys have this item, I think you guys knew what is it. A lovely message card from my SA. Don't waste time and let's start. Let's open up here. Yes, it's coming in white color. So I think normally it's come with the dark blue or black color. So the care booklet in here. So a thick care booklet in here. Put it aside. This is the one. See? What do you guys think about these lovely white boxes? So nice, isn't it? Right? It's absolutely white. So let's open up. And you can see the inside lining is also have Louis Vuitton. So you guys already guess what is it, right? If like this, a drawstring dust bag, and this is the sunglasses. Absolutely. So just open it up, and you guys ready? Just hold it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 2.5, and ta-da! So this one is this year the new collection LV 2054, the new 1.1 million glasses. So if you guys can see, it make from transparent with silver hardware, and the lens is silver or mirror lens. You can see the reflection in here. So you can see my camera here, you can see my fingers. Let's have a look. So what you guys think? I love this. I really love this. It's very nice. because actually I want to get the one before is on the cloud collection. It's completely silver, that one, but that one I missed the chance to order because it's completely sold out when this LV 2054 collection launched, and I saw they have one of it and they use transparency. It's another type of style, so that's why I pick up. So this one I choose is the size E because mostly for our Asian we use size E, but actually I did try size W. Is actually it's not much different. It's just the nose shape in here. It's just slightly tiny different, and yeah. But overall, this one same size. It's just the nose. So what do you guys think about this? What do you guys think? Nice, or it's a bit weird, awkward? Maybe it didn't fit me as well, but I really love it. You can see I'm filming. So this is the first one I share with you guys today. Then when I pick up this one, I saw they have this second one. So actually on the store that day they doesn't have the exact item, but they have similar item there. And then once I really see a person and then I feel the material, I love it. Actually my SA was over me before. They have one, but I just say no on that time because I haven't feel the material. I just seen in picture. That's why I'm not sure do I want it until when I pick up the glasses. They got some new items is arrival on that day, and then I've decided I really want to get on this one. This one, if you guys can see the boxes, but I'm not sure did you guys mention. Have a look this one. This ribbon is thicker. So I just show you. I just realized actually. So see, this one is skinny one with orange Louis Vuitton, but this one is thicker one with white Louis Vuittons. So what you guys prefer? I prefer a thicker one, but if they can with orange Louis Vuitton will be perfect. I love it. I love the thicker one more, but both is still quite nice. So let's get back this item. So if you guys can see, lovely the best aspect again. And yes, you guys already knew this item. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So this is the pocket organizer. So this print, I love it. Once when you feel it, is you feel like it's like denim material, very structured. You can feel when they not stitch or print the white pattern print, you feel the structure, you feel it. That's why when they offer me, I just saw the picture, I'm not really like it, but when you feel it, you going for it. So I just open it up for you guys. Inside is deep blue leather, and if you guys can see, is Louis Vuitton. This one is made in Spain. So this holder is made in Spain. I didn't see any from other country yet, but that's the one, the badge to make in Spain. So this is the one. what you guys think. So nice, isn't it, right? Yep, that's the pocket organizer. Very nice. And when I get this item, my essay is also surprised me. It say just arrived in shop, and I was so surprised I can get this on hand. So it's coming with these rectangle boxes, also with gift messenger card. Can you guys guess? Can you guys guess what is it? Guess, really. Maybe you guys will. I don't know. I don't know. Did anyone do this unboxing on YouTube or not? But you see, wrapped with lovely tissue paper and have the Louis Vuitton logo. Yeah, very nice. So nice. Oh, okay. So I'm not going open it up because I can slice because it didn't wrap the top and bottom. So, oh, maybe. So this one, very excited if you guys knew it. So ready, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This one is this year Louis Vuitton, they produce the mask and pouch. So with lovely dust bag or pouch bag, so you can see the details. Actually, like the lock in here, they got light brown color this side. They change with the dark here. It's just like a reverse one. So let me open it up for you. And the mask is like this. I'm not sure. I think it's, yep, this size up. So like, let's see, when they fold it, it's like this way. This is 100% cotton. So inside, so you can treat it. I'm not sure. I don't think it's reversible to use, but inside color is like this. So front, and I haven't tried. This is my first time to try on. So let's see. It's not too bad. Actually, they are for, I think for ladies, but because my face is quite big, little bit tight, but I think so far it's okay. It's just a bit tight on here. You guys can see my hair is already, my meat squeezed out, but so far quite nice. Little bit cannot breathe. I don't know, maybe just my face too big, I think. Yep, that's the one. I think they are not really for men, or maybe just my face too big, but it's very nice. That's the one. And the last one. The last one is coming with this slight tiny balls, and you guys can see different, yeah. So wait. Oh, this one doesn't have dust bag, but okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is another mask. So This one is another pattern, the black and white, the pouch, and the mask is ta-da. So this one is only one LV size on here. They are exactly same shape. Yeah. Yeah, on this side. This one is also 100% cotton as well. So you can see. So this one is more lower key. So it's full black and just only Louis Vuitton on this side. When you compare this one, right? What do you guys think? You guys like this one, the monogram print, or just the black one with single logo print? Actually, it's quite. Can see my shape, my nose. Yeah. I think it's quite nice. Quite, yeah. But I'm not sure can they. So I got these two on hand today. Very happy. Two masks on it, and they are coming with two different types of pouch. Right, so nice. And very last one. So when I just come back home with all these items and I receive an envelope from Louis Vuitton, which is, I would like to show you guys, is a Christmas card. I'm so happy I can glad it. Like, see Louis Vuitton, you can see the trunk box underneath and have the tree, and you guys can see Louis Vuitton, and you guys can feel it. Like, it's so nice. This one, so nice. I'm so happy. It's a seasonal greetings. I love it. This so much. This one, thank you for the Louis Vuitton group as well, and especially thank you. I love it. Very love it. So thank you every single one for supporting me this year. I wish every single one of you have a Merry Christmas and have a lovely holiday. Have a lovely time with your family, your lover. And I see you guys next video. Thank you so much for that. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any new video when I'm launching. You like this video, thumbs up and share to your friend. Thank you so much again, and bye bye.